Today we'll show how to hand over the whole system to your staff so they get only limited access while you retain full control of business management. Batch inventory works across multiple devices and accounts with no limits. As you can see, adding multiple admin and staff accounts is quick and simple. Now let's see how to add a new staff account. The process is very simple, so you can give each staff member controlled access to work securely and easily. Just enter basic details like name and email, choose their permissions, and they'll be ready to start using the system. Select the staff access role from the drop-down. Admin gets full access to everything, while staff can have their permissions customized to suit your needs. And the system will generate an automatic password you can share with them. Then set product access to decide whether this staff can open the product master or not. So you control exactly which modules each person can see and use. If you disable this access, the staff will not see the product master at all. The system also lets you control transaction access and limit batch access. If you want a staff member to view reports, tick the reports checkbox and set all other basic permissions the same way, so each person gets only the exact access they need. The most important access controls are the inward, outward, and stock shifting options below. These let you decide exactly which operations each staff member can perform. For example, if you give someone only inward access, they can only record incoming stock. So your full inventory system stays completely under your control. Finally, assigning warehouses is the last and most important step. This feature is vital when you have multiple warehouses because it lets you decide exactly which locations a staff member can access. Simply select the warehouses you want them to work in. Each warehouse's access stays separately controlled, so your operations remain secure, flexible, and fully under your control. The staff can log in to only the selected warehouse and will be able to view and manage data for those locations, not anything else. Now let's log in with the assigned email and password to check the limited features this account can access and make sure everything works as expected. Now the staff can work only in their assigned warehouse and will have access only to the features you gave them. No more, no less. This keeps everything under your control so your business stays safe, secure, and smooth. And we support unlimited accounts so you can add your whole team with no limits. Whether you have 2 staff or 200, you can add everyone to the system with customized access, so each person only sees what they need. This keeps your business running and lets it scale smoothly because the system is growth ready. If you liked this, please like the video so we can keep bringing smart, useful features.